Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we had a little project going on in my garage. As you guys can see, have it all done now. All right, so the floors are done, so I gotta stay away for at least few days off the floors from the garage. But as soon as that's done, I'm gonna be moving my stuff back in and also doing some base moldings in the garage and painting the walls and ceiling and kind of fixing that up. So you guys just keep following along the video, and you'll see the whole garage remodel and how long it took and everything, what I did to it. So keep watching.